Welcome to Stock Invest YouTube channel and this stock report for Camber Energy. The stock report was first published on StockInvest on October 19, 2021. In this stock report, we give you all the key information you need to know about Camber Energy for the upcoming trading day on Wednesday 20th. Knowledge is money, and this report is all about giving you information about support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price-to-earnings ratios, and possible trading levels for Camber Energy. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Enjoy this unique report for Camber Energy and please make sure you get our conclusion and forecast at the end of the video. In this section you will get general information about Camber Energy performance. The Camber Energy stock currently holds a minus 1.305 score, and our system has ranked Camber Energy sell candidate since October 12, 2021. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 17.36%. This is an average return of 2.89% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Camber Energy, our last headline reads, "Volatile ride for Camber Energy Incorporated stock price on Tuesday moving between $1.32 and $1.82. The Camber Energy Incorporated stock price gained 21.58% on the last trading day, Tuesday, October 19, 2021, rising from $1.39 to $1.69. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 37.88% from a day low at $1.32 to a day high of $1.82. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 10.46% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 276 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 372 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $628.23 million. The Camber Energy stock trends and predictions. The current Camber Energy trends. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $1.20 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a 98.16% change over the next 3 months. From a statistical point of view, a possible return between 100.39% and 457.19% from today's price. The 12-month trend indicates a 3.28% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between minus 18.66% and 193.02%. This equals a price between $1.37 and $4.95 after a year. Analyst ratings. From analysts, Camber Energy stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Camber Energy stock an sell rating. Signals and forecast. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Camber Energy Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $1.71. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $1.46. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 30, 2021, and so far it has fallen minus 55.76%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence, divergence, holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 46 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 31 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Camber Energy. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.58 and $1.53. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Camber Energy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $1.58. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.53 and $1.52. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 50 cents between high and low, or 37.88%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 19.25%. In this section, we will give you important key values for Camber Energy to up your trading game. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Camber Energy currently has a price-earning ratio of -10.94. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Camber Energy meets first resistance at $1.71. If you do not hold Camber Energy shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Camber Energy finds first level of support at $1.58, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $1.42, $1.30, $1.11. Sell at $1.80, $1.92, $2.11. The latest analyst ratings for Camber Energy. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Camber Energy, is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Azar-2 Richard Nathan, whom have bought and sold 84,494 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of 0.915. In total, the insiders bought 6,110,189 and sold 6,675,191 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Camber Energy stock a buy? Camber Energy Incorporated holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 20th, we expect Camber Energy to open down negative $0.0800 and start trading at $1.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.